What you got to say there, Rich?
I gotta say I'm pumped. I'm excited.
Why are you pumped up?
Because we're gonna pick up something today.
What are we picking up?
Another member's joining the Gray Hair Garage today.
Now, what could that be?
You know, I just let go of a car that I've had for a very long time that was dear to my heart, and we got another one that's going to be a memory maker too. Cool.
What do we got here?
Gray Hair Garage, baby.
That's right.
Gray Hair Garage has a new car. What do you think?
I think it's freaking awesome. Yeah, we don't want to get demonetized, even though we, we're not monetized.
So life must be pretty good at Gray Hair Garage, huh? Two brand new cars.
Yeah, we're making big money. How much money? What was our first check? Big fat goose egg?
Though, so if you could like and subscribe, we'd appreciate it.
Yeah.
Then we could do some mods.
That is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, I love it.
All right, tell us about the story.
Okay. Well, so I found this car just this past Monday, and I decided to check it out. We had a little bit of a rough day the first day, but today we managed to close the deal, and I actually had a great experience at Nally Honda. But as we're doing the paperwork, Nicholas pointed out a couple interesting facts with this car. As you guys remember, I had a 928. Well, when my dad bought that car, it was in 1987, and it's an 81 car. It was 6 years old. This is 6 years old. Also, it was a low mileage car for 6 years. It only had 22,000 miles. This has 9,000 miles. And then the other interesting fact is, if you look at the interior, the color is very similar to the brown that was in the 928. And that's just bizarre. And I love that brown, and it's just a lot of key things. But the last one, which was really interesting, is when I was following you, Mike, and we hit that first stoplight, Nicholas and I are all jazzed, and we're looking around, and I noticed the odometer. The odometer said 9,281 miles, 928. You tell me that's not a sign.
I think it's meant to be, brother.
I think so too, and I'm quite chuffed.
Yeah.
I'm very excited. I'm glad I found another Porsche to build some memories on with my kids, and get some great pictures and just build on that. I've always loved the Porsche community and the car community. I like all cars, but I do have an affinity for Porsche. I've had, this has been my 7th Porsche, and I look forward to what this one's going to bring to my family and to the channel. So please like and subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell.
That's right.
So I'm jazzed, I'm excited, and just looking forward to it.
I'm on. Hi, Gray Hair Garage.
Cheers, brother.
How are you?
How you liking this new ride?
I love it. I love it. It's fun. It's quick, and I just really enjoying it.
Now, I got a question.
Yeah.
Would you like to race?
I would say no.
Okay.
I know you've got 3 times the horsepower.
But it does have a dual clutch, right?
It does have a dual clutch. This is what is known as a PDK in the Porsche world. and it is a dual clutch transmission, so
Does that mean pretty damn quick?
pretty damn quick
Pretty
is
damn
what I
quick.
believe it
That's
means.
awesome, man. Awesome.
Yeah, that might be the technical term, but that's the one I like to
I
use.
like it. It's a
But,
good looking
yeah,
ride.
I've put about 800 miles on it since I got it about a month ago,
Mhm.
and it replaced the 928. It's just it's a real nice ride,
It's a nice
and I'm hoping we'll make some videos of it, some driving videos, because
Yeah.
we've heard from a few people in the comments that that's what they'd like to see is some driving footage, and really that's what we're going to probably do this year,
Yeah.
and
Do
have
some
some fun. We'll
trips.
do that with the 500 and the Porsche. And
Go to the mountains.
yeah, some mountain runs. That was a suggestion from
Yeah.
a viewer, and we were actually talking about it. Well, we've been talking about
Yeah.
it for a few weeks.
Yeah.
It's just pulling off the logistics, and we'll do that.
Yeah.
And, I got a hell of a chase vehicle, and you do too. So,
I think you got a gorgeous ride, brother.
well, thanks, man. I'm pretty happy with it. I know the family likes it too. I got Porsche in my blood. You know, I tried to stray from it, but when it came right down to it,
I tried
it
to
was
pull you.
it was the Porsche that called me.
I tried to pull you over to the
I know
Ford
you
world,
did.
but that's okay. I love
I
the
know.
car.
And I like all cars. I mean, I had the Mustang for a short period and loved that car. But when it came time to replace the 928, the calling was just Porsche, and it was very strong. And then I found this one locally, actually, not even 15 minutes from the house, and everything was
Well, I mean,
it lined up pretty good.
it lined
so,
up pretty good. Kind of
yeah.
like my deal. It was
Yeah, it
kinda
was meant to be. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So we're going to do some videos of the Porsche, the GT500. We still have the 70 and a couple other vehicles. So we'll see what 2021 brings us for the rest of the year. And if you have any suggestions of something you'd like to see with any of the vehicles, leave us a note.
Yep.
We read them all, and believe me, we'll take the questions and answer them and all that.
Well,
Cheers.
cheers, brother.
Cheers, guys. And if you like this video, please like
Subscribe.
and share. And the notification bell.
That's right. Jingle that joker.
Exactly. Take care, man.
See you.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers, brother.
Okay.
So, what are you going to give to the 700th
Nothing.
subscriber?
Our thank you.
Yeah.
How about 1,000? You need to
Oh
do
yeah, when we
something.
hit 1,000
Yeah.
subscribers,
Hey guys, for 1,000 subscribers, we're going to give away a car. We're going to give away a car and a T-shirt.
yeah, a Matchbox car, but it'll be a car.
And this damn good-looking hat I got on here.
Yeah, because he never wears it.
I do wear it.
Do you?
Went to the